Hey, this is Chad Portnova again. Just wanted to show you how to install My Content Creator Pro. This will work for the Pro version and the Elite version. So once you have the plugin downloaded, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your WordPress website, okay? You'll come into Plugins. You'll click on right up here on Add New. Then you click on Upload Plugin. Choose a file where you put the plugin itself, My Content Creator Pro. Click Install Now. Click Activate Plugin. Okay, now it's set up. Here it is. Now, if you're a Pro member, you can use all the features right here. Now, if you're an Elite member, an Elite user, what you'll do is once you get the plugin, we'll actually have another file that is sent to you, especially to you, that will have your Elite license key right here. Once you get that key, you will enter it right here, and then you'll click Submit. And then it will unlock the Elite version, and you will have all the Pro version features, and you will now have the Elite version. But like I said, if you bought the Pro version, you will just get the Pro version features. And if you bought the Elite version, you'll get the Pro version and the Elite version, okay? If you have any questions, like I said, you can contact our support, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. It will either be by me, Chad Portnova, or my business partner, Mike Murphy, okay? Thanks again for your purchasing of My Content Creator Pro, the Pro version or the Elite version. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Enjoy the training videos. Bye-bye.